Hi all, Mike Shenley here. Hey, just going to do a quick import demo just to show how it's done with VCarve Pro. And we have a couple Christmas ornament files from D&J Creations. We're going to use those as demos. So I'm going to set the width and the size to 4 inches. So 4 inches, 4 inches, quarter inch thickness, 0.125. And use high quality or very high quality for this. We're going to use cherry for our wood. Select OK. We go up to File, Import Component 3D Model because these are STL files. Let's go find where our files are hiding at. They're in Models, D&J Creations, Christmas, and we'll go ahead and pick up this Christmas bulb one, which had a little more, little fancier to it. So the size comes in millimeters. I'm going to go ahead and scale from millimeters to inches. And we want, I'm going to set it from 4.05 inches to 3.75, just so it'll fit into my little 4-inch block. And hit apply. And then tell it OK. Alright, so we have our ornament here, our bulb. Go ahead and click on the component for it. That'll highlight it. We go ahead and create a vector around it, vector boundary. We can switch to 2D and now we'll see that vector boundary. Go ahead and resize the window. Alright, so we're all set with that. We'll move on over to our toolpaths. Let's just go ahead and select this for now. And we'll create a profile toolpath for it. It's basically asking us to confirm the dimensions of everything we're going to use. This is about fine. About right. And now we've got a start depth of 0, cut depth of our material thickness, so we can just set that to Z, which is what it was. Our end mill, we're using a 1/16 inch end mill. This is our pass depth and step over we don't need to worry about. Feed rate of 40 and plunge rate of 20 should be about right. Let's see, our particular one has 2 flutes on it. Let me set that. And I typically just name my my toolpaths with an abbreviation for the type of the bit and then the dimensions of it. So we're using a 1/16 end mill. Okay, and that will create our toolpath for it, and we can go ahead and let's do a quick resize of it, and then preview all toolpaths. There's only one. So now we basically start removing the items we need. And we can go through all these one by one to get rid of them all. It gets a little crazy. I think you've got the idea. And that is it. We go back and save the file. And we go down to drawing, save. And for the ones that are already set, I just put in, or that are already created, I put into my own section here, and we'll keep track of it with a little abbreviation. So this is a DJ bulb. DJ is a D&J Creations, and this is their bulb. And that's it. Thanks for watching.